Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your Lenovo Tab M8. So to start we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them for sure. I'm always using the EasyFax. Remember, it's not free. Okay, so we have to open this app and add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Then click on the plus and choose source of your document. I will pick something from your gallery. Oh, it's odd, I don't have anything in my gallery, so I have to take a photo now. Sorry about that, give me a second. So, I will take a photo. Okay, we have a photo. Now you can add this shape to your document. If you're ready, click arrow and choose the filter for your document to make it more visible. If you are ready, click accept. You can also add a signature tags and mark the graffiti on the document by these icons. Okay, now click the accept. Type the number here. Don't forget to choose the country from the list. You can here add a optional note. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send only this one, click on this button, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.